Welcome to this video on VPNs or virtual private networks. We will explain what a VPN is, how it works, and why you should use one for security and privacy. A VPN is a technology that creates a secure, encrypted connection over the internet. It encrypts your internet traffic, hides your real IP address, and protects your privacy online. Without a VPN, your data travels in plain text, making it vulnerable to interception by hackers or your ISP. They can see what you do online, steal your data, and track your location. With a VPN, your data is encrypted and travels through a secure tunnel. Hackers only see scrambled, unreadable data, providing a critical layer of protection. A VPN works through tunneling and encryption. Your device connects to a VPN server, encrypts your data, sends it through a secure tunnel over the internet, and the server decrypts and forwards it, hiding your real IP. VPN encryption scrambles your sensitive data, like login details or bank information, into random gibberish. This makes it useless to anyone who intercepts it, ensuring your security. A VPN hides your real IP address. Without one, websites can track your real location. With a VPN, they only see the VPN server's IP, making you appear to be in another country. There are different types of VPNs. Site-to-site VPNs connect two entire networks securely over the internet, commonly used for linking different office branches. The client-to-site VPN, or remote access VPN, allows remote workers and travelers to securely connect to their company's network from anywhere in the world. Full tunneling routes all internet traffic through the VPN for maximum security, but may be slower. Split tunneling routes only work traffic through the VPN, allowing normal browsing directly for faster speeds. VPN protocols define how the tunnel is created. OpenVPN is general purpose and highly secure. WireGuard is modern and the fastest. Older protocols like PPTP are weak and not recommended. You should use a VPN for many reasons, including public Wi-Fi protection, remote work access, bypassing geo-restrictions, privacy from your ISP, and securing sensitive data. In a real-world scenario, using public Wi-Fi without a VPN exposes your banking app data to hackers. With a VPN, the hacker only sees encrypted gibberish, which is completely useless to them. VPNs and proxies are often confused, but are very different. VPNs offer full encryption, high security, and full privacy protection, suitable for work and sensitive communications. Proxies offer no encryption and limited privacy, only suitable for bypassing geoblocks. To summarize, a VPN encrypts your data, hides your IP, makes public Wi-Fi safe, enables remote access, helps bypass restrictions, and provides privacy from your ISP. Thank you for watching this video.